Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate, is back with another video for you. Today, I'm going to talk about what is the best email autoresponder for affiliate marketing. I'm going to go over the top two options. In my opinion, there's really only two options that you should even be considering, and I'm going to go over what both of those are today. Now, of course, as always, if you like a free copy of my guide on the zero selling method, it's a free affiliate marketing guide on how to do affiliate marketing without doing any selling whatsoever. Just click the link in the description. All right, so again, what's the best email autoresponder? I'm gonna go over both of those options right now. Let's get into it.
Okay, so the first one we're going to talk about is Aweber. Probably heard of Aweber before. It's pretty popular. And I'm going to say right off the top that Aweber is a really, really good autoresponder. If you are using Aweber or if you're considering Aweber, you shouldn't feel bad about it. I would actually feel pretty good about it. Aweber is it's a really good email autoresponder. Not just for the autoresponder purposes, but it also has a lot to help you grow your business as far as email marketing and things like that. The other one I'm going to get into next, I'm going to talk about, they're pretty similar as far as what they offer. But either way, they're both really good. But Aweber itself, one thing that stands out about Aweber that I really like, if you like, say you're brand new, which probably most of you are if you're looking at this video, Aweber, you can get a completely free account for 0 to 500 subscribers. That means it has no time restriction. So if you just like, hey, I don't really have much money to get started right now, and I don't know how long it's going to take me to get to 500 subscribers, then Aweber might be a great route to go because there's no pressure on you to figure out, within 14 days or 30 days, however, a lot of other free trials are. That's one good thing about Aweber is that there's no time restriction. It's whenever you get to 500 subscribers. Now, on the other side, if you do want to just go ahead and go straight to a pro account, it's only $19 a month, which is not bad, compared to some other autoresponders. Some of them are a lot more than that, but for $19 a month is really not bad at all. Now, one thing I will go over with you here, like I'm going to go over to the next one here. The other one we're going to talk about is Getresponse. Okay, now Getresponse is amazing. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's say you're only starting off where you got under 1,000 subscribers. Getresponse is only going to be $15 a month. So, again, for instance, if you have $0 you're starting with, I don't see how you're starting a business with $0. But sometimes say you're in a crunch. You're just trying to get something going, and your funds are limited. You may want to go with the Aweber free account because the 0 to 500 subscribers, at least until you get 500 subscribers, you don't have to worry about paying for the email autoresponder. But on the flip side, on Getresponse, which let you know firsthand, this is the email autoresponder that I personally use. I personally use Getresponse is because I believe Getresponse is a little bit more beginner friendly. And it could just be I might be a little biased because that's how I started with Getresponse. I did try out Aweber and I liked everything about it. But eventually I ended up sticking with my Getresponse account because I was just more used to using it. So full disclosure, I may be a little bit biased, but I do like Getresponse a little bit more for a couple of reasons, and I'll tell you why. Let's just say here, go back over to Aweber. Let's just say, your business is starting to go good, and we all expect when we start a business that eventually is going to be going pretty well. So let's just say you're going to get, 5 to 10,000 subscribers. With Aweber, you're going to be paying $69 a month. Okay. Now, let's say Getresponse. Getresponse, if you got up to 5,000 subscribers, is only $45 a month. And even if you go up to 10,000, it's $65 a month. Okay, so pricing wise, I believe Getresponse has a little bit of an edge. Now, if just judging by the basic package, now Getresponse does have these plus and professional, but I think that's a little bit deeper and down the line for anyone who might be watching this video, even including myself. I'm still using the basic package on Getresponse, so. Again, I personally like Getresponse, but you can't really go wrong with Aweber. Again, I had great experience using Aweber, but I started with Getresponse first, so which led me to just end up sticking with Getresponse. So I have nothing against Aweber. I know a lot of people who use Aweber and they're completely happy with it. I know people who have, over 10,000 subscribers that use Aweber and they're completely happy paying, whatever the monthly fee is. So again, it's a matter of preference, but Aweber I think is great. My personal preference is Getresponse, for a couple of reasons. Okay, so one, I think the pricing, you have a little bit of an edge there on Getresponse. But the features I think are pretty much neck and neck. I believe the features that they offer are pretty neck and neck, but I think what Getresponse does have that gives them a little bit of an edge is Getresponse has a free email list building course for 90 days that you can take for free just for having your subscription to Getresponse. So again, that's my personal preference. I love that course that it has. Getresponse, Getresponse and Aweber, they're both very easy to use. They're both very user friendly. I just think the platform itself, Getresponse, is a little bit more geared to people who are newer in the business. But like I said, I know people who started off using Aweber and they're completely happy with it, and those people who, just like myself, who started off using Getresponse and like myself, we're all completely happy with it. So either way, you cannot go wrong.
So there you have it, guys. That's my take on the best email autoresponders for affiliate marketing. Like I said, either Getresponse or Aweber, either one, you really can't go wrong. They're both great to use. I honestly wouldn't recommend using any of the other ones you hear. You might hear some people saying something about MailChimp. Honestly, I've looked into MailChimp and what they offer and what the prices are. They just don't compare to Getresponse and Aweber. And I mean, like I said, Getresponse and Aweber, those to me are the only two options that I would ever consider. And my personal recommendation is to go with Getresponse. That's the one I use personally. But I am going to leave my affiliate links if you want to try either one of these out. For Getresponse, you can get a free 30-day trial. And for Aweber, like I said, you can either choose that free account where it's free until you get over 500 subscribers. So I'll leave a link for you to check either if you want to check either one of those out. So that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please like and comment. I really do appreciate any and all feedback. For me, as always, trying to spread good energy. I truly wish you guys much success. Till the next time.